The tack is gone. Oh my goodness. Dad, that was awesome. I cannot believe you did that.
This rifle is a factory Remington 700 short action, chambered in 7mm Remington short action Ultra Magnum, also known as the 7 SOM. We picked up the rifle secondhand and it had some accuracy issues. We bedded the recoil lug, adjusted the trigger, lapped the bolt races and the barrel, and after the work was done, the rifle became almost ridiculously accurate for a factory action and barrel. The Optic is a Burris XTR II 4-20 with the H591 reticle. Let me tell you what, I love this scope. And I love the reticle. We took 3 deer with it during hunting season last year. It is fantastic. Next, we have some clips of the SOM at the 200-yard range on a cold day, having fun, just shooting stuff.
Okay, go.
My son wanted to see if this rifle really was a tack driver at 100 yards.
The tack is gone. Oh my goodness. Dad, that was awesome. I cannot believe you did that.